can't believe I did that. That was probably the worst note choice. How can I possibly recover from playing a wrong note? Well, watch the rest of this video for some tips when this happens. Hi, I'm Donna from DonnaSchwartzMusic.com, the site to boost your playing up to the next level. And for the best music performance and improvisation tips, subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below so that you'll be the first to know when new videos come out. Wrong notes. It happens to everybody, okay? We've all played wrong notes at some time when soloing or whenever. But what do you do when it happens to you on stage? All right, well, first let me tell you what not to do. Number one, don't let it show on your face or make a huge body reaction that shows you screwed up. The audience may not even be aware it's a wrong note. You know, I remember a show 5 years ago when I saw Najee sitting in at a show in Spaghettini's. His reed was causing him tons of problems because it's very dry out here, so he was squeaking like crazy. But he kept going as if nothing bad was happening. And you know what? So did the audience. They kept going. All right, number two, don't apologize for your mistakes. If people come up to you afterwards and start talking about your performance, don't apologize for any mistakes. Again, they may not have even noticed, and the rest of your performance was probably really good, and they want to tell you how much they enjoyed it. Number three, don't let it affect the rest of your show, okay? Don't slump your shoulders, don't shrink away from the audience, lose eye contact or whatever. Just let it go and focus on the rest of the tunes. Hey, how many times have you seen your favorite athlete screw up in a major competition? Now, here's what you can do. Number one of my first mentors told me that if you play a bad note, resolve it up or down a half step, and then you're fine. Even if that note is not a chord tone. In fact, it can be a really nice sounding extension. So if I play that wrong note again, the flat 13, I'm going to first resolve it down to the fifth. Now, that sounds fine because the fifth is a chord tone of the one chord. Now, if I play that wrong note again, the flat 13, and resolve it up to the natural 13, that's a really nice extension. So why is it a nice extension when it clashes with the seventh? Because I'm playing that extension in an upper register. It's not low in the sound, so it's acting more like an extension and not the initial spelling of the chord. Okay, number two. Own every note you play. One of my favorite players is Stanley Turrentine, and I was reading one of the comments from another really good jazz improv video. And this person was saying how he pointed out that Stanley Turrentine had a way of playing that just screamed confidence and meaning for every single note that he played. That was a great reminder, and that's one of the main reasons why I like the way he plays. Okay, number three, body language. If you sit or stand all slumped, the audience subconsciously doesn't feel as confident in you. It's terrible. I know, I get it, but it happens. You have to wow them to get them back. Remember Susan Boyle from America's Got Talent? Well, she did not have the best stage appearance at first, but when she sang, when she opened her mouth, the audience changed their tune. And in time, she got more and more confident, and her body posture reflected that. So, as a recap, remember, even your favorite players play wrong notes, but they don't let it affect the rest of their show. Remember Najee, that story, or even your favorite athletes, right? Don't apologize to the audience for your mistakes. Keep a positive, strong posture on the stage. And own every note you play, even the bad ones. Now, the most practical tip I shared was from my mentor. Just resolve that note either up or down a half step, and you'll either hit a chord tone or a really nice sounding extension. Now, don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when my new videos come out each week. And check out some of the other music performance and improvisation video tips on my channel. On that note, thanks for joining me. Take care. Have a great day.